In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood lift support on your Kia Optima. Located under the hood, let's get started. Before we go ahead and start this job, we're going to find a pole so we can prop the hood. Or you can find someone to hold the hood for you. In this case, I'm going to be using this pole. We're going to wedge it in place. So before we remove the hood lift support, the hood doesn't fall on us. Using a small flathead screwdriver, you want to pry on this tab, and as you do so, you want to pull back on it, and that's going to release the hood support. Now you can let it rest on the hood prop that you previously installed. We're going to have the same tab on the bottom. Go ahead and do the same. And slide it out. To install the new one, we're going to start at the bottom. We're going to put it right over the bolt and slide it in. Give it a little push just to make sure that it's clipped in place. And now we're going to move on to the top. You want to go ahead and move the hood up, line it up with the bolt, and slide it in place. Give it a little wet. Now we can remove our support. And we're gonna go ahead and try it out. And that'll be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.